Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have learned and enjoyed coloring with oil pastel colors in my previous videos. Now today in this video I am showing you how to draw and color swan with watercolors. Children, while drawing you should be very careful regarding your pencil sketching. You should draw your sketch either with mechanical pencil or with simple edge pencil so that the sketch remain light and when you color it, pencil drawing become invisible. Now here to color water I am using very diluted cobalt blue color. To color body of this bird, I am using Prussian blue and crimson red. Mix both colors well and then apply throughout the body of this bird. To give here shade, add a pinch of black color in the same color. Dear children, you should be very careful when you are applying the second coat. The first coat which you have done should be completely dry. To color beak of the swan, you have to use vermilion red and black color. To color the green background, use sap green and mixture of yellow color. Later give details by using darker shade of sap green color. For the darkest tone of the green, you have to mix a pinch of Prussian blue color in sap green color. To paint grass in this picture, you can use fan brush and 2 number round brush. I particularly love to paint with watercolors because coloring with these colors enhances patience in me. Which medium you love for painting? Write in the comment box. Paint reflection of greenery with light shade of same green color. To give details in feathers, I am using white gel pen. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.